my $500 plus football shirt collection. As you can see guys, I've already been rocking this PSG shirt, this red PSG shirt today. It's a training top from, I believe, 2020. And I think I picked it up on discounted price off the Nike website. It's got these nice streamlined colors on the arm. I'm gonna call them streamlined. They're like wrap around your arm. And I believe they are on purposely blue and white because the whole shirt is red and that would be the colors of the French flag. I'm not too sure if that's true, but that's probably what it is, right? This is the Brazil shirt from the 2022 World Cup, which has recently just finished. What a shirt. I actually love this shirt. It's got this sort of like animal print texture in it. It's got really nice coloring with obviously the green and the blue, and it's just so, oh, you can't beat a Brazil shirt. The Brazil shirt, which I really want, I saw Central C wear it in his LA Lakers freestyle. That shirt, oh my days. If I could get that shirt, I tried finding it before I bought this one. Oh my days. But yeah, I didn't get a player on the back for this one. If I did, I'd probably get Neymar, and you'll see why in a minute. And inside the Brazil shirt, it has this really nice, I don't know what fabric you'd call it, but it just feels so satisfying to touch. And then also the same materials around this button. It's a button shirt, and actually you also get a spare button at the bottom of the shirt. Now, continuing my love for PSG shirts, this shirt, there's a lot of backstory for this shirt. In the 2021/22 season, PSG released this style of kit. They're like sort of basketball style shirt with a Michael Jordan logo on it. I don't know what it is. This kit is like the average human being with food in the need for it, and this is that, like, I had a need for this shirt. As you can see here, I've got Neymar on the back, Neymar 10, but there's a downside to this shirt. Due to me putting it off buying it, I was thinking, oh, there'll be a sale on at the end of the season for this shirt. Can you guess there wasn't a sale? Because I don't really like buying clothes at full price. A lot of you guys will probably see all my clothes and think, oh my god, you must have so much money buying all these clothes. I never really buy my clothes at full price. So I was really annoyed about not picking it up that season. Then I went on to classicfootballshirts.com and they had this shirt with Neymar on the back. But the thing is, I bought it for around, I think it was £79, which was more than I could have got it originally. Because this shirt is quite a lot of money, you know, like £80 to spend on a football shirt. I was pondering buying it originally back on the PSG website. As soon as I saw on Classic Football Shirts, I've never bought anything quicker in my life. And unfortunately, the description said it was brand new. It's my only ever purchase from Classic Football Shirts. And it has a lot of pulls and like, it's got a bit of, it's quite damaged. I'll show you some of the pictures here. It's got a damaged neckline, it's got some bobbles on it, but I honestly don't even care because this kit I wanted for so long. Now, onto this Manchester United home shirt for this current season. I am a Manchester United fan. Now, some of you probably would have thought I'm a PSG fan, but I think I do actually have more PSG shirts than Man United shirts. I'll get onto them later on in the video. I really wanted to get this shirt because the collar, like, it's something that Manchester United shirts particularly, there's never really been a collar on it to my memory. Obviously back in the day with the Cantonars, and that's what made this shirt like so, like, the whole advertisement about it was like lifting the collar up because that's what Cantona used to do, and they haven't put out a shirt with a collar on for years. I've never actually put the collar up. I actually look like a right prat.
Look at this! Prat.
And the quality on the collar, which I thought wouldn't be that good, it's amazing. Like, I've washed it multiple times, this shirt, and it held up really well, and it's not like shrunken or got weird or anything. Obviously we've got the TeamViewer sponsor and got the Premier League logo and the new DXC sponsor. And on the back, well, I actually have Garnacho. He's also recently had a baby, which has come out of nowhere, and I did not expect it because he's literally younger than me. So I mean, congratulations to Garnacho. Honestly, that kid, I mean, I don't know how much money he's earning, but I think it's around like 50 grand. He's having a kid. Like, he is living the life. I think this shirt is really similar. I think it's the 2018 one when we're in the Champions League. Yes, if there are Man United fans watching this, yes, when we're in the Champions League. Like, honestly, I'm a very big Man United fan and I get very into it, but like, Europa League recently. This is also another button shirt. It just comes with a button here, one top button. And again, it comes with a spare button at the bottom of the shirt. Now, this shirt is another Man United shirt, and it's from the year where Jadon Sancho joined. That's how I remember it anyway, I don't know. Obviously the year before the current home kit. This shirt, I bought it from the Adidas outlet in Gunwolf Keys. Oh my days, I don't know if they've, you know how you can buy like an £120 version of the kit? I feel like this kit was made wrong, like incorrectly. I feel like they've used the material from the £120 kit, used the wrong lining of the collar, and that's why it was in the outlet, because they made an incorrect version. It feels so nice and it's so like breathable. Like, when you put it on, it's like, I can't explain it, it's just so nice. I've got the collar sponsor on there. I didn't get the Premier League, or actually, yeah, we were in the Champions League. I didn't get the Champions League badge, obviously because I bought it at the outlet, and I haven't got a player on the back. I did actually try and get a player on the back. I tried to get Jadon Sancho 25, obviously because I bought it in the outlet. You can't get it customize there. You'll have to go to like Sports Direct or something. But the annoying thing about this shirt is the numbers are supposed to be red, and at Sports Direct they only do black or white, so there was no red option. So I would have been walking around with a Jadon Sancho 25, and to me, I'm all about authenticity with things, and that just, it wouldn't have looked right. And to be honest, it's worked out well because Jadon Sancho is just trash. Like, I'm sorry, I used to love him. Like, he was my favourite player, but how can you be this bad? Yes, there might be things going on behind the scenes, and I would fully support him through that, but he's just not a good football player, is he, in England anyway? And this was the first year with TeamViewer, I think. The whole line of kits for this season by Man United, what a job. They had the really basic red kit, which was so nice. The away kit, this kit, which is one of the nicest Man United kits ever. And they also had the third shirt, which was really nice. I haven't seen any Man United shirt recently that's looked like that, with the blue, black and yellow. Back to another PSG shirt, and this is one of the training shirts from the current season. They wear a lot on their Instagram pictures. You guys have probably seen him if you support PSG in any way. It's got goat on the sleeve, which I really like, and it's got the Qatar, and these are the nicest sponsors combinations I think I've ever bought on a football shirt, with the Qatar Airways and the goat. I don't know, it's really nice. It's a really nice colour combination. Obviously everything works because it's got the blue of the PSG shirt, a badge rather. Sponsor's blue, Nike's logo is blue, another sponsor's blue. Obviously nothing's on the back because once again it's a training shirt. And let's move on to the next PSG training shirt. This is the reverse, sorry I had to do that. This is the reverse colourway, obviously, of the previous training shirt. I also got this one because once again, I think it's a really nice colour combination with the blue, the orange and the black. The badge has obviously changed, so it's just red and black, really nice, orange and black, sorry. And then this, obviously, just like the previous training shirt with them being blue, they've actually gone for this orange look for both the sponsors, well, kit provider, Jordan. And yeah, with this blue trim at the front, I just think it looks really nice. And staying in the country of France, I've got a France shirt. I've also got the number 4 on it. Stop right now, guys, put in the comments who's the player on the back. I mean, it can only be one of 2 really. This is an amazing France kit. It reminds me of the kit which you always see Zidane advertised in, with the red trim at the front, and oh, it's just, badge is obviously really clean. I've had it for a while and it's held up really well. One thing which happened though, on my birthday, which is the day I got it, I was wearing it and I walked up the stairs and there was some like Velcro on this coat on my, like this Velcro caught on my shirt and it's now left this bobbling and it's not come out, and there's like literally no way for it to come out. I don't know if you can get it out with a bubble remover. I might actually invest in that. I've seen that on No Source The Plug. I've seen No Source Bride do reviews on it and he said that that's what it does. It gets rid of the bubbles. Yes guys, I've got Raphael Varane on the back. No badges on the sleeves of this one because it's just an international kit, isn't it? But yeah, the quality of the numbers on the back are actually really nice. As you can see here, it's like really a nice glossy material and it kind of breaks away. It's not just one block of a number, it's like individual parts. Now this is also a gorgeous shirt. Take a look at the colour combination on this. As I mentioned, with the opposite colourway of this PSG shirt, I had to pick it up. I think I got it 20% off on an Easter sale back last season. PSG always release a 4th kit in like around January, winter time, and I was just eyeing up ready to get one. I didn't get a sleeve badge and I also did not get a player on the back. I got this officially from Nike, and so obviously there's no bubbles or anything, there's nothing wrong with it. I've worn it multiple times with these Jordan shorts. I usually only ever wear that combination when I wear this shirt, just because I think it goes hard. What do you guys think in the comments? Let me know. If you guys want to see my Nike Tech Fleece collection, then watch this video here. Or if you don't want to watch that and you want to watch a tier list about Nike Tech Fleece, then obviously go watch that video there.